What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add background music onto your iMovie track, or really any software in general you could add background music to using this method. Now I am on desktop obviously, as you can see, but I'm going to be transferring to my iPhone here very shortly so I could show you how I could get music on my iPhone and edit it through iMovie or really any other editing software. Like I said, it's probably going to be a very similar process. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go on youtube.com and then you're going to just search for the song that you want and copy and paste the link. Then you're going to go to this website here. You can see the link at the top, and I will put it at the top of the description as well. And if you copy and paste the link into that box there, it's going to take you to the website where you could download it. Now, there are going to be a pop-up website that comes up there, but once you hit the download button, just exit out right away, and it might take a few tries of exiting out, but eventually you will see at the bottom that the track actually downloaded and you have it downloaded. Trust me, it's not a fishy website. It just has some pop-up ads. That's how it makes its money, so just exit out of those every time. Then you're going to head on over to Google Drive and make an account if you don't already. But if you have a Gmail account, then you have a Google Drive account. And then once you're on Google Drive here, you're going to hit the new button that's in the top left corner. And it's going to come up with a bunch of different options for what you could do here. But what you're going to do is you're going to hit File Upload, which is going to be the second option from the top there. And then it's going to bring up this menu here where it has all of your files on your computer. And I'm just going over to my downloads where I just downloaded that song that I was just talking about just now. And then you can click on that song and you will be able to upload it into your Google Drive. And I'm going to head on over to iPhone to show you what to do after this. So I'm on my iPhone now, and I have the Google Drive mobile app downloaded. You're going to need that in order to continue through with this process. So now I'm going to go on Drive from my iPhone and make sure to log into the same account that you were on desktop. It's an obvious step, but sometimes you just forget and don't check. But once you're on the Google Drive here, you're just going to scroll down to the song that you want to download it that I just downloaded there. And then parallel to it, there should be the little three dots you could see all the way on the right there. And it's going to bring up a bunch of different options here. But if you scroll down and see, it's going to be the sixth option down with the little arrow there. You could share it and then it's going to bring up this menu here. And if you scroll down a little bit more at all the white buttons there, all the way at the bottom, there is another button where you could save video. It's just going to load on the prepare to export screen right there. And then once it's loading, depending on how long the song is, it might take a little bit more time or on your internet. But once you do that through that step, it is now on your camera roll now, and you could easily just head on over to iMovie and just create a second track onto your movie and add that song in the background. And you could always adjust the volume as needed. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, comment down below. I went kind of fast there, but I will be sure to clear up anything that you were confused on. Other than that, though, if you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.